This is a West Coast Vibratory Feeder, brass casing sorter. Sorts by height. Does a 45 Colt, 44 Magnum, 357 Magnum, 38, 10 mil, 45, 40s, 357 SIGs, 9 mil, and 380. The first mix that I'm going to be running through this is a 380 mix, which you will see fall into this bucket here. The other mixes, if any is in with the 380 mix, will fall into each corresponding bucket according to size and height.
Originally $8,500, now the bull sells new for $9,500. Our price is $1,000 off the original and available in stock immediately at $7,500.